अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पार्ट 2। इस वीडियो में हम उन MCQs के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जो कंप्यूटर साइंस लेक्चरर या कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर या डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर या जूनियर क्लर्क के टेस्टों में आते हैं और ये बहुत ज़्यादा अहम सवालात हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं सबसे पहला सवाल। स्वैपिंग डैश बी डन व्हेन प्रोसेस हैज पेंडिंग input output are has to execute input output operations only and to operating system buffers. Option A must never, option B maybe, option C can, option D must. So the correct option is option A must never. That's the right answer. Next question. The main memory accommodates option A CPU Central Processing Unit, option B user process, option C operating system, and option D all of the mentioned above options. So the correct option is option C, which is operating system. That's the right answer. Next question. The operating system is responsible for option A bad block recovery, option B booting from disk, option C disk initialization, and option D all of the above. So the correct option is option D all of the above. That's the right answer. Next question. The operating system and the other process are protected from being modified by an already running process because option A every address generated by CPU is being checked against the relocation and limit registers. Option B they have a protection algorithm. Option C they are in different memory spaces. Option D they are in different logical addresses. So the correct option is A. Every address generated by the CPU is being checked against the relocation and limit registers. Next question. Using transient code, the size of the operating system during program execution. Option A maintains, option B changes, option C increases, and option D decreases. So the correct option is option number B, which is changes. That's the right answer. Next question. The operating system maintains a dash table that keep track of how many frames have been allocated, how many are there, and how many are available. Option A memory, option B mapping, option C page, and option D frame. So the correct option is option number B, which is mapping. That's the right answer. अगला सवाल. To obtain better memory utilization, dynamic loading is used. With dynamic loading, a routine is not loaded until it is called for implementing dynamic loading. Option A special support from operating system. Option B special support from hardware. Option C user program can implement dynamic loading. Option D special support from both hardware and operating system. So the correct option is option number C. User program can implement dynamic loading without any special support from hardware or operating system. अगला सवाल. The dash present a uniform device access interface to the input-output sum system. Much as system call provide a standard interface between the application and the operating system. Option A device driver, option B input-output systems, option C device, option D buses. So option A is correct, device drivers. Next question. In real-time operating system, option A process scheduling can be done only once. Option B, all processes have the same priority. Option C, kernel is not required. Option D, a task must be serviced by its deadline period. Correct option is D. A task must be serviced by its deadline period. अगला सवाल. Hard real-time operating system has dash other than soft real-time operating system. Option A, equal. Option B, more. Option C, less. And option D, none of the mentioned above. Correct option is C, which is less. That's the right answer. अगला सवाल. For real-time operating system, interrupt latency should be. Option A, 0. Option B, minimal. Option C, maximum. Option D, dependent on the scheduling. So the correct option is option B, which is minimal. That's the right answer. अगला सवाल. Which one of the following is a real-time operating system? Option A, Windows CE. Option B, RT Linux. Option C, VxWorks. And option D, all of the above. So the right answer is option D, all of the above. That's all are real-time operating system. Next question. The priority of a process will dash if the scheduler assign it a static priority. Option A, depends on the operating system. Option B, change. Option C, remain unchanged. Option D, none of the above mentioned. Correct option is C, remain unchanged. अगला सवाल. What are the characteristics of host-based IDS mean in Trojan detection? Option A, logs are analyzed to detect trail of intrusion. Option B, the host operating system logged in the audit information. Option C, logs include login file open in program execution. Option D, all of the above. So the correct option is option D, all of the above. That's the right answer. अगला सवाल. Transient operating system code is a code that dash stay in memory always. B, never enter the memory space. Option C, comes and goes as needed. Option D, is not easily accessible. So the correct option is option C, comes and goes as needed. That's the right answer. अगला सवाल. If the sum of the working set sizes increase exceeding the total number of available frames. Option A, the operating system select a process to suspend. Option B, the system crashes. Option C, then the process crashes. Option D, the memory overflows. Correct option is A, the operating system selects a process to suspend. अगला सवाल. The information about all files is kept in dash. Option A, operating system. Option B, separate directory structure. Option C, swap space. Option D, none of the mentioned. Correct option is option number B, separate directory structure. अगला सवाल. The operating system keeps a small table containing information about all open files called option A, file table. Option B, directory table. Option C, open file table. Option D, system table. Correct option C, open file table. That's the right answer. अगला सवाल. The operating system Dash the links when traversing directory trees to preserve the acyclic structure of the system. Option A deletes, Option B considers, Option C ignores, Option D none of the mentioned. Correct option is C ignores. That's the right answer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for next videos.